Namaste and welcome back, friends. I am Jayalakshmi Ravichandran. I have come here with a beautiful knitted sample or pattern titled Raindrops. You can see these drop-like figures forming in the knitted pattern. It's a great pattern for all type of variables, and this sample piece I have worked with my Hobby Store Aran Merino 100% superwash merino wool with color code AM029. This is worked over a multiple of 6 plus 5 stitches and a 12 row repeat pattern, and I have used my 5mm needles. I have worked 2 repeats. Let's go about the pattern. Row 1. Of course, the first 2 and last 2 are always my edge stitches. Ignore them if you're not working the edge stitches. Purl the first 5 stitches to begin row 1. P5, P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5. Now yarn over and around the needle. Okay, you are making one stitch here. This is a stitch repeat. Yarn over and around the needle. Begin here. Purl 2 together. Purl 4. Stitch repeat one more time. Yarn over the needle and around it, and bring the yarn to the front. Purl 2 together. Purl 4. Again, yarn over the needle, purl 2 together, purl 4 stitches. So this is what we will be repeating. The stitch repeat is yarn over and around the needle, purl 2 together, purl 4. That is the stitch repeat for row 1. These 2 are my edge stitches. I always knit them. Now row 2. It's a very simple row. Of course, the first 2 are edge stitches. Ignore them if you're not working. Knit the 5 stitches, first 5 stitches. Stitch repeat is purl 1, knit 5, purl 1, knit 5, purl 1, knit 5. This is a stitch repeat till the end of the row. These two are edge stitches. They are not in the pattern. Now row 3. It's simple purl on purl, knit on knit. I'll tell you. The first two are not in the pattern. Purl the first 5 to begin this row. Stitch repeaters, knit 1, purl 5, K1, P5. Knit 1, purl 5. We've completed up to row 3 now. Row 4 is same as row 2. Row 5 is same as row 3. Again row 6 is same as row 2. So complete the rows 4, 5 and 6 as 2, 3 and 2. Complete these 3 rows and get back. I shall also complete and get back. Completed rows 4, 5 and 6. Now row 7. Odd rows are the right side rows. First two are edge stitches, ignore them if you're not working any edge stitch. Begin row 7 with purl 2, yarn in front and around the needle, purl 2 together. This is not the stitch repeat. Stitch repeat here is purl 4, yarn around the needle, that is over the needle, and bring it to the front. You are making one stitch here, purl 2 together. Again purl 4, yarn around the needle, purl 2 together. You will be left with one stitch. You simply have to purl that stitch. Purl that last stitch. Now row 8. Begin row 8 with knit 2 and purl 1. Knit 2 and purl 1. This is not a stitch repeat. Stitch repeat for row 8 is K5 P1. Knit 5, purl 1. knit 5, purl 1, 3, 4 and 5, purl 1. You'll be left with 2 stitches. You're left with 2 stitches. You simply have to knit those 2 stitches. For row 8, we simply knit these last 2 stitches. These are my edge stitches, so ignore them if you're not working. The last 2 and the first 2 do not come in the pattern. Now row 9. Simply purl on purl, knit on knit till you begin row 9 with purl 2, knit 1. This is not stitch repeat. Stitch repeat is purl 5, knit 1. So that is why I said purl on purl, knit on knit. Purl 5, knit 1. Again you will be left with 2 stitches in the end. Last repeat, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Purl 5, knit 1. You will be left with 2 stitches at the end of the row. Simply purl those 2 stitches. Okay, we have completed row 9, row 10, 11 and 12. We are going to repeat as rows 8, 9 and 8. Row 10 is same as row 8, row 11 is same as row 9, row 12 is same as row 8. So complete up to row 12. I shall also complete and get back. Here we go. After completing row 12 and turning the pattern, this is the right side. Row 12 we worked in the wrong side. This is how the pattern develops into. You can see the raindrop like structures appearing as textured structures in the pattern. A similar pattern is titled as bud stitch pattern, but that has got a different type of stitch definition while forming these bud like structures in that. The video is already available, and this is titled as Raindrops. Thank you friends for viewing the small effort of ours. If you really liked our effort, do click on the like button, share our videos and subscribe to our channel. And if you like to be notified of all the videos we upload, do click on the bell icon and all notifications. Only then you will be notified of the videos as soon as we upload them. Thank you once again. Have a great day. Bye for now.